Stock. A stock is a piece of ownership in a company, allowing you to share in its profits and assets. Shareholder. A shareholder owns stocks in a company, making them a partial owner. Dividend. A dividend is a company's profit distributed to its shareholders. Capital gain. A capital gain happens when you sell a stock for more than you paid for it. Market capitalization. Market capitalization is the total value of all a company's shares on the stock market. Bull market. A bull market means stock prices are rising, showing market growth. Bear market. A bear market means stock prices are falling, indicating market decline. IPO. An IPO is when a company offers its shares to the public for the first time. Portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of investments like stocks, bonds, and other assets. Broker. A broker helps you buy and sell stocks. Stock exchange. A stock exchange is where stocks are traded. Ticker symbol. A ticker symbol is a unique set of letters representing a company's stock. PE ratio. The PE ratio shows how much investors pay for each dollar of a company's profit. Volume. Volume indicates how many shares are traded in a specific time frame. Liquidity. Liquidity measures how quickly you can buy or sell a stock without changing its price. Bid price. The highest price a buyer is willing to pay for a stock. Ask price. The lowest price a seller is willing to accept for a stock. Spread. The difference between the bid and ask prices. Blue chip stocks. Shares of large, reputable companies with a history of stable performance. Index. A group of stocks representing a section of the market. For example, S&P 500. Yield. The income generated from an investment expressed as a percentage. Day trading. Buying and selling stocks within the same trading day. Short selling. Borrowing shares to sell them, hoping to buy them back at a lower price. Limit order. An order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price or better. Stop loss order. An order to sell a stock when it reaches a specific price to limit losses. Volatility. The degree of variation in stock prices over time. Equity. Ownership value in a company after liabilities are subtracted. Margin trading. Borrowing money from a broker to trade stocks. If there are any stock market terms you think we missed or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple financial tips. See you in the next video.